Hi, kindergarten. For math today, I'm going to read you a book about fractions. It's called Eating Fractions. And then we're going to do an activity together. This is the book. It was written and photographed by Bruce McMillan. Whole. He has a whole banana. Oh, and it looks like he's doing something to it. Looks like he might be cutting it in halves. So there's his halves of the banana. He and his friend have halves. And now it looks like they are sharing it. Whole. It is a whole biscuit baked in that little pan. He's helping put honey on top of the biscuit. Thirds. We haven't talked about thirds yet, but what do you guess it would mean? Cutting something into 3 pieces. Very good. Thirds, so you can break that biscuit up into 3 pieces. Oh, and it shows 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 down there at the bottom. Sorry, I'm trying to get it straight. There you go. And they each get a piece. Whole what? Whole pizza. Yum. But now they're looking at it, trying to figure out how are we going to divide this? They're cutting it. Fourths. Oh, so they cut it into 4 pieces, 4 equal quarters or 4 fourths. They cut it straight down the middle. They cut it straight across. You see the fourths symbols at the bottom? There you go. And they're eating their pizza. If there are 2 of them, and they have 4 pieces of pizza, how many pieces of pizza do they each get? 2? Whole. They have a whole piece of corn. And they have cut it into halves. Now they've got halves to eat. Half down there. Whole. This is a whole Jell-O salad. It's kind of round. That's why they took a picture of it. It's whole salad. And they put it on top of some lettuce. Oh, but they cut this one into thirds, 3 pieces. See the thirds down there? There they are. And now they're tasting it. Whole, ooh, this one might be my favorite. A whole strawberry pie. Mmm. But it looks like they're going to cut it to share it. Let's see what they cut it into. Oh, they cut it again, like the pizza, into fourths. So we figured that out before. If there are 2 of them, and there are 4 pieces, they each get 2 pieces? Let's see. What do they do? Oh, it looks like they're looking at the floor. I wonder why they're looking at the floor. Let's find out. Ah, I don't think they're each eating 2 pieces because they gave a piece to the dog. Lucky dog. Maybe the dog got 2 pieces. I don't know. All right, and at the back there are some recipes. So, I like this book because it shows how you cut different kinds of food up into fractions. We are going to do something like that today for math. So, in your packet of all those worksheets you're doing, you are going to pull out this one. It has 2 circles on it. It has a place for your name, and then it has some words at the bottom. This is what we're going to do with it. First, I'm going to write my name at the top as usual. Make sure I get it back. All right, then it says, this round thing, you have to imagine it's some kind of round food. It might be a donut, it might be a cookie, it might be a pizza, it might be a, goodness gracious, what else could it be that would be round? A slice of a pineapple. It could be a slice through the middle of a watermelon. any kind of food that's round, it could be an orange, any kind of food that's round, you can decide what you want to make in this picture. This one said this is a half. So I'm imagining a donut, and I am going to draw half a donut in this circle, like this. A donut is round. I'm going to use, well, I can't find my brown. I'm just going to use pink. All right. So I'm going to cut it down through the middle. Mine is a strawberry frosted donut. So it kind of looks like this. This is the frosting around the edges. And you don't have to use markers. I use markers because that's what I have. You can use colored pencils or crayons or markers or chalk or whatever you want. So this is my half a donut. I drew it down the middle like I cut it in half, and then I wrote the word donut at the bottom. This is half a donut. Now, if that's half a donut, on this side it says this is a whole. What do you think? A whole donut. So I can show the difference between a whole donut and a half a donut. So whatever you pick, whatever kind of food you pick, you should have a half on this side where it says this is half a, and a whole one of it on this side where it says this is a whole. So I'm going to draw my whole donut, on this side, right here. This is a whole donut. All right, let me put my whole, my whole in the middle. And I'm going to draw some sprinkles on it like this. But I'm not going to put a line down the middle because it's a whole. It's not a half. This is a whole donut. And I would like you to sound out whatever the word is. So if you decide pizza or cookie or donut, I want you to sound it out. You don't have to ask your parents how to spell it because you guys know how to sound this out and you practice writing it. Okay? So there's my whole donut. There's my half. There's my half. And there's my whole. All right, I can't wait to see what you choose, what kind of foods you choose to draw on your whole and half sheets. Good luck. Happy practicing. I will see you later. Bye, kindergarten.